Hi everyone, welcome to school. I hope you're having a great day so far. I'm having a good day. I feel really good. How about you?
I feel great. I'm having a good day.
Oh, I'm so excited to hear that. And you know what I'm excited about? We're going to start playing with some Play-Doh. Yay! We have 10 different colors of Play-Doh. Now, I don't know what colors you have, but you can use any colors you want. And we're going to show you how we use them and how you can use them, okay? Let's get started. Now, of course, you know I'm going to do the purple one because pink and purple are my favorites in the whole world. And Mary stole the pink one. So we're just going to open it and you'll see there's a little Play-Doh in the container. If you, mine is purple, although it's showing it's blue. But it is purple. Have your parents help you open up your Play-Doh if they haven't already opened it up for you. And we're going to take it out of the container. Here we go. See how it molded itself to the container? Isn't that cool? Of course, Mary, as usual, is having problems getting hers out.
Yes, I am. I think I finally got it.
Yeah, with the Play-Doh, we could do something similar to when we did the molding clay, only our Play-Doh has a much different consistency. So, you know, it like goes into shape much quicker and easier, but then it loses its shape quicker and easier too. So Play-Doh is more for, you know, fun little projects that you just want to do and then destroy. So we are going to, I'm going to just bunch mine up and just to show you how it works. Remember how we did the ball in our modeling clay? Well, I'm going to do that with the Play-Doh. And that way you can kind of see the difference. Going around in circles we go, around in circles we go, around, around, and around we go. And look, we have a circle. Okay, so it's a ball, but it doesn't quite mold as nicely as the modeling clay does. But hey, it's still kind of cool. This one really does look like a blueberry in the video.
It does.
Even though it's purple. So you can make the ball just like we did with the modeling clay.
Make a ball too, but it's gonna feel a little different.
It will definitely feel different. It's
this is more squishy.
Yeah, it's, I was gonna say gooier.
Yeah,
it's a gooier consistency.
The modeling clay is much more firm and
I think it holds its shape better.
Yeah.
I think that the modeling clay holds its shape quite a bit better.
But if you leave your Play-Doh out, it will dry up. The modeling clay doesn't dry up unless you put it in like the oven or under heat.
And we don't want you putting it in the oven.
No.
You know.
So don't leave your Play-Doh out. Always make sure you put it away so it doesn't dry out.
Yeah, so when you're done with your Play-Doh, you're going to put it back in the container that it came from, and you're going to put that lid on it. And if you can't get it snapped shut, ask Mom and Dad to help you. But you do want to make sure you put it away, or it will dry out, and you'll be so sad the next time you go to use it, and you won't be able to.
Okay, so another thing you could do with this is you can also make it flat. Like we did with our modeling clay, you can flatten it out.
See, they need them to see us flattening that out.
Can you guys see here? Okay, so you're gonna take your modeling clay, your Play-Doh, and maybe you want to put it into a ball or something, as you can see right here. And then I'm gonna take the back of my hand and I'm gonna smush it. And now it's flat. So
I'm going to show you what she did on my hand. So here's the clay. I'm going to take my hand. That's what she did. You can take the palm of your hand and just squish. And then you've got squish. See how you squished it flat? And then if you want it even flatter, you can just kind of squish your hands together like that. And see how flat it got? Very, very flat. Flat as a pancake.
Yeah.
But don't eat it.
Yeah, don't eat it. Mine does look like a pancake, but this is not a pancake. It's Play-Doh. So, what else can we do with our Play-Doh? You can also play with the whole thing if you want, but it's better to take little pieces. Unless you're making a big, say you want to make something out of your Play-Doh.
Let me have a plate.
Okay.
So you can get a plate, or you can do this on your table if your mom and dad said it was okay. We like to use plates because it's easier to clean up. But you can take your Play-Doh and put it on the plate. See that? And then this is just a little bottle cap. And you just put it on your Play-Doh and push it in. And it will cut your Play-Doh. It will take this off. And look at that. Look what we got. We got a drop that's just the size of our cap. Cool. And we can do that with any size cap. We've got some other ones.
Here, I want to try. I think I kind of want to do this one.
She's got a square one. And we didn't have a cap, but we had a container that was square.
So I'm going to take my Play-Doh and flatten it out on my
just like we did
plate.
Before. We're going to flatten it out right on the plate. And then lift it up and flip it over to make sure it's not stuck to the plate. And then you'll be able to shape it and it'll come right off. See? Now we can watch Mary shape hers.
So now that mine is flat, I'm going to go ahead and put this on there like so and press it in. See how I'm pressing it into the Play-Doh? And then I'm going to pull this off. And as you can see, I have this square shape after I pull that off. How awesome! That looks so good.
It looks so good.
Wow.
I could never draw a shape like that.
Yeah,
No,
me either.
yeah. So having the little things to shape it with is cool.
So now I have a little square. How cute is this?
That's just so cute. It is cute.
Another thing that we have here is, I'm not sure if all Play-Doh comes with these.
Here's a bigger one.
But the lids of our Play-Doh have these little animals. They're so cute. And you can use these the same way with flattening it. And there she's making a bigger circle. Wow. So,
And this was just a container that I happen to have in the kitchen. So you can ask your mom and dad if they have any containers like that. See? Perfect circle. Wow.
Wow, so good.
Did you get the one I dropped on the floor?
No, I didn't.
Okay, I got it. I see it.
Okay.
Drop something on the floor. Pick it up right away, okay?
So now I am flattening another piece.
I've actually been working with the same piece.
I was gonna say
Yeah, I am.
this is the same piece, but I'm doing it again. So now we're gonna use this little, and you can even use the cap of your Play-Doh like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this little character and see how it works. I'm not sure because I've never used this one before, but I'm gonna press it into, and as you can see, so it will take the shape of this little bear, I am going to press it into there like so. Make sure it's in there nice and good, and then take it off. Oh, mine looks a little funny. My guy looks a little funny.
I think mine is
a fish. I think yours is a fish.
I think mine might be a fish. I don't know if you can see it though. Oh, maybe like that you can see it. So what it does is instead of cutting it, it makes like, and it pushes around everything inside around it, and the shape just pops right out, which is kind of cool.
Yeah. Another way you can use the lids is taking a little bit of Play-Doh, and you're going to press it straight into the lid, just like so. So press it into there.
I'll do one after you do it.
Okay.
For a double.
And then, so as you can see, the back is still a little funny. So I'm going to press it against a surface, a table, a plate, something, a hard surface to make it flat on the back. And then, oop, this just came out by itself. But now, as you can see, I have a cute little bear. How cute is he? Oh my goodness.
Isn't he just adorable?
Wow. So yeah, now I have this
You
cute
put
little bear.
you put it this way.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with mine.
I'm sure you can do it the other way as well.
You probably get a totally different design. Hey, we're playing with it, huh?
Yeah.
So
I'm
this is
gonna
kind
do
of
the other
fun
way.
because you can do the different shapes.
Yeah.
So you just press it in, just like that. Just press.
You can make a worm, you can make a circle, you can make a square, you can cut out different shapes.
Mhm.
You can use your lids to make cute little things like we are. There's
Mhm.
so many possibilities when it comes to Play-Doh. That one didn't work. Now I'm gonna use some to make a worm. I think pink worms are cool.
Like that. So we're going to just push it and push it and push it. And we're going to have all this extra come off. Hope I don't forget that's there and sit on the Play-Doh.
Okay. And now I have a worm.
So right around here, you can take, you know, you're just, all of this is going to just come off. You push it in hard enough, it's just going to come off because you're going to have it cutting it. Let's push it all around the edges there. And then that one you can take off. And don't worry, it doesn't come out right the first time because it's just fun to play with Play-Doh.
Fun to play with, not to eat.
Now, hers came out, but mine didn't.
Mine didn't really come out as well the first time.
Like, I mean, come out of the... It's trying to come out. There we go.
Let me see.
It looks like a pirate ship. Oops, sorry. I don't know what it is. But it's so cute and it's fun to do that. And every single one of these has like a different design on the cap that you can play with. And if your mom and dad want to know where Miss Donna got these, she got them at the 99-cent store. So you tell your mom and dad that Miss Donna got them at the 99-cent store.
This is a fish, I believe. This is his nose and that is his fin up there. So that's his nose and that's his fin and like this is his body. You see? Like this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, so now you get to play with some Play-Doh and get used to the Play-Doh, learn how to work with it, play with it. Any designs that you make, have your parents take a picture of and put it in our Facebook group. I'll put the link to the Facebook group below. And we're going to be using Play-Doh a lot in class in future days to come. So we want you to get used to learning how to play with Play-Doh.
Yes.
Have oodles and oodles of fun, and we'll see you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
So when you're done with your Play-Doh, just put it all back together in a ball.
Yes, and if some of it's still in your container like mine, you're just gonna push it all into there like so.
Just push it in your container. Okay, get it in there real nice and good.
Make sure it's all in there and you're not leaving any parts out or it will dry out. And then you're gonna put your lid on. Make sure it's fully closed and fully shut or your Play-Doh will dry out. So
if you can't get it on, ask your mom or your dad or your sister or your brother or your aunt or your uncle or your babysitter or ask somebody who knows how to put the cap on for you, okay?
and have fun with your Play-Doh.
Bye. We'll see you next time.